Hello everyone, welcome to Bengal's #1 online education channel, Satyanarayana Institute of Online Study for all job-oriented competitive examination. যারা গভর্নমেন্ট জব পাওয়ার জন্য নিজেদের তৈরি করছেন তারা অবশ্যই এই ভিডিওটি লাস্ট পর্যন্ত দেখুন আর ভিডিওতে আলোচনা করা প্রত্যেকটি কোয়েশ্চেন অ্যান্সার ভালো করে প্রিপেয়ার করুন। বোথ বেঙ্গলি অ্যান্ড ইংলিশ ভার্সনে কোয়েশ্চেন অ্যান্সার আলোচনা করা হয়েছে যাতে প্রত্যেকটি ভিউয়ার্স উপকৃত হবেন। সাকসেস অবশ্যই আসবে। যদি আপনি নতুন আমাদের চ্যানেলে ভিজিট করে থাকেন, এখনও চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব করে না থাকেন, তাহলে ভিডিওর নিচে যে লাল রঙের সাবস্ক্রাইব বাটন তাতে প্রেস করুন এবং পাশের বেল আইকনটি প্রেস করে আমাদের সঙ্গে সম্পূর্ণ বিনামূল্যে যুক্ত থাকুন। প্রতিটি এক্সামের সিলেবাস ভিত্তিক এবং সঠিক গাইডেন্সের স্টাডি ম্যাটেরিয়াল আমরা এই চ্যানেলটির মাধ্যমে প্রোভাইড করছি এবং ভবিষ্যতেও করব। ওয়েলকাম ভিউয়ার্স, টুডেজ টপিক ইজ ইন্ডিয়ান পলিটি অ্যান্ড কনস্টিটিউশন। Question number 1. The Constitution of India came into force in option A 1951, option B 1956, option C 1950 and option D 1949. The right answer will be option C 1950. The Constitution of India was adopted by Constituent Assembly on November 26, 1949 and came into force on January 26, 1950. Next question. Question number 2. Who is custodian of the Indian Constitution? Option A, President of India. Option B, Chief Justice of India. Option C, Prime Minister of India. Option D, Chairman of Rajya Sabha. The right answer will be option B, Chief Justice of India. This question is very much important. Let's some description. We discuss some description. That is, the Constitution has made the Supreme Court as the custodian and protector of the Constitution. The Supreme Court decides disputes between the center and the units as well as protects the fundamental rights of the citizens of India. Next question. Question number 3. The India of parliamentary form of government is adopted from option A, US, option B, UK, option C, Ireland, option D, USSR. The right answer will be option B, UK or United Kingdom. The Constitution of India provides for a parliamentary form of government. Both the center and the states has that been borrowed from the United Kingdom. The parliamentary government is also known as cabinet government or responsible government of Westminster model of government and is prevalent in Japan, Canada among others. Next question. Question number 4. By which of the following act the system of diarchy was introduced at the center? Option A 1909, option B 1919, option C 1935 and option D 1947. Next, the right answer will be option C 1935. The Government of India Act 1935 provides for diarchy at the center. Under this act, the executive authority of the center was vested in the governor. It ended the system of diarchy at the provincial level introduced by Government of India Act 1990. 1990 বা 1919. Next question. Question number 5. In which year the Constituent Assembly of India started functioning? Option A 1945, option B 1946, option C 1947 and option D 1948. The right answer will be option B 1946 and 9th December. The Constituent Assembly elected for an undivided India made for the first time on 9th of December 1946, reassembling on 14th August 1947 as a sovereign body and successor to the British Parliament's authority in India. It was formed under the Cabinet Mission Plan on 16th May 1946. Next question, question number 6. Which type of democracy do you follow in India? Option A, direct. Option B, presidential. Option C, representative. And option D, dictatorship. The right answer will be option C, representative. That means India follows representative democracy, that is also known as indirect democracy. It is a type of democracy founded on the principle of elected officials representing a group of people. As opposed to direct democracy, simply put, a representative democracy is a system of government in which all eligible citizens vote on representatives to pass laws from them. Next question. Question number 7. The concept of constitution first originated in which of the following countries? Option A, Italy. Option B, China. Option C, Britain. And option D, France. The right answer will be option C, Britain. That means the England's Magna Carta, jake bola hoy, the Great Charter of 1215, is now widely accepted by general consent of history as the world's first major constitutional document. Magna Carta provided Britain's reformers with a firm foundation, a cornerstone on which subsequent constitutional documents could be added to form the assemblage, which, combined with unwritten custom, is commonly referred to as Britain's constitution today. Next question, question number 8. In which of the following countries the system of judicial review was originated? Option A, France. Option B, Germany. Option C, USA. And option D, Britain. The right answer will be option B, USA. That means the judicial review of the idea fundamental to the US system of government that the actions of executive and legislative branches of government are subject to review and possible invalidation by the subjects to review and possible invalidation by the judiciary. Judicial review allows the Supreme Court to take an active role in ensuring that the other branches of government abide by the Constitution. Judicial review of the government was established in the landmark decision of Marbury v. Madison. That means the option is question C, that means USA. Question number 9. Who was not a member of the Constituent Assembly? Option A, Mahatma Gandhi. Option B, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Option C, Sardar Patel. And option D, G.P. Mavalankar. The right answer will be option A, Mahatma Gandhi. The Constituent Assembly was chaired by Dr. Rajendra Prasad when it met as a constituent body, and by G.P. Mavalankar when it met as a legislative body. Besides Ambedkar, the four Congress giants Jawaharlal Nehru, Vallabhbhai Patel, Rajendra Prasad and Abdul Kalam Azad were dominant players in drafting the constitution. The biggest absent was Mahatma Gandhi, who was busy trying to douse the flames of communal riots. On December 26, 1949, the Constituent Assembly adopted the Constitution with its 395 articles and 8 schedules. This is much important. This article, 395 articles and 8 schedules. Try to memorize this. This question is much more important for SSC exam as well as railway exams. Next question. Question number 10. The concept of single citizenship is Indian Constitution is inspired by which country? Option A, Germany. Option B, France. Option C, Ireland, and option D, England. The right answer will be option D, England. The Indian Constitution has adopted good features of other constitutions with necessary modifications. The Constitution which exercised profound influence on the Indian Constitution were that of UK, USA, Ireland, Canada, etc. The parliamentary system of government, rule of law, law-making procedure and single citizenship were borrowed from the British Constitution. Next question. Question number 11. The term secular was added in the preamble to the Indian Constitution by option A, 41st Amendment, option B, 42nd Amendment, option C, 43rd Amendment, and option D, 44th Amendment. The right answer will be option B, 42nd Amendment. This is much important. 100% guarantee this question is coming from to the next exam. Upcoming exam say question ta ashbe. That is, the Constitution declares India to be a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, assuring its citizens of justice, equality, and liberty, and endeavors to promote fraternity among them. The words socialist and secular were added to the definition in 1976 by the 42nd Constitutional Amendment. The word secular, though, was specifically added in the preamble in the year 1976, yet the original spirit of the Constitution was completely secular in nature. Its insertion into the preamble has ensured that secularism has now become a source from which the constitutional provisions on secularism draw their authority, and it has now become the central object which the Constitution seeks to establish. It is also one of the basic structures of our Constitution, and no compromise can be made on this by any government. Next question. Question number 12. Which of the following is not a fundamental right? Option A. This is more important question. Option A, right of equality. Option B, right to liberty. Option C, right against exploitation. Option D, right to property. The right answer will be option D, right to property. That means the right to property, also known as a right to protection of property, is a human right and is understood established an entitlement to private property. Right to property was originally a fundamental right, but it is not a legal right. Question number 13. Indian Parliament can rename or redefine the boundary of a state by option A, a simple majority. Option B, absolute majority. Option C, 2/3 majority of members voting, and option D, 2/3 majority of members voting and an absolute majority of its total membership. The right answer will be option A, simple majority. A simple majority. That means The explanation is Article 3 of the Indian Constitution deal with formation of new states and alternation of areas, boundaries or name of any of the existing states. The states of the Indian Union can be reorganized or their boundaries altered by an executive order of the Union government with the consent of the concerned state government by a simple majority in the ordinary process legislation. Next question. Question number 14. Which is the source of political power in India? Option A, the Constitution. Option B, the Parliament. Option C, the Parliament and the state legislatives. Option D, we, the people. The right answer will be option D, we, the people. India is democratic country. People of the India elect their representatives through direct franchise and representatives elect the government to make or amend rules and regulations and to carry out day-to-day functioning of governance. One basic principle of democracy is that people are the source of all political power. In a democracy, people rule themselves through constitutions of self-governance. Next question. Question number 15. Which one of the following is not enumerated as a right in the Constitution of India? Option A, political and social right. Option B, educational right. Option C, economic right. Option D, right to religion. The right answer will be economic right. Option B, economic right. The explanation is political groups have demanded that the right to work, the right to economic assistance in case of unemployment, old age and similar rights be enshrined as constitutional guarantees to address issues of property and economic insecurity. Though these provisions have been enshrined in Directive Principles of State Policy. Next question. Question number 16. The Indian Constitution organizes minorities of the basic of option A, religion, option B, caste, option C, percentage of population of the group of total population, option D, color. The right answer will be option C, percentage of population of the group of the total population. That means there is only one article pertaining to the minorities in the Constitution of India. Article 30 of the Constitution provides that all minorities, whatever based on religion or language, shall have the right to establish and administer educational institutions of their choice. The Constitution thus envisages that minorities can be based on religion or language. Minorities are identified on the basis of percentage of the population of the group of the total population. Question number 17. The writs of the enforcement of fundamental rights are issued by option A, the Parliament, option B, the President, option C, the Supreme Court, and option D, the Election Commission. The right answer will be option C, the Supreme Court. Under the Indian legal system, jurisdiction to issue prerogative writs is given to the Supreme Court and to the High Courts of Judicature of all Indian states. Parts of the law relating to writs are set forth in the Constitution of India. The Supreme Court, the highest in the country, may issue writs under the Article 32 of the Constitution for enforcement of fundamental rights and under Article 139 for enforcement of rights other than fundamental rights, while high courts, the superior courts of the states, may issue writs under Article 226. Next question. Question number 18. Directive principles in our Constitution are: Option A, enforceable in the courts of law. Option B, quasi-enforceable. Option C, partly non-enforceable. Option D, non-enforceable in the courts of law. The right answer will be option D, non-enforceable in the courts of law. That means the directive principles of state policy are guidelines to the central and the state government of India to be kept in mind while framing laws and policies. Next question, question number 19. The source of authority of Indian Constitution is: Option A, the Supreme Court. Option B, the government. Option C, the people of India. And option D, the president. The right answer will be option C, the people of India. That means the preamble of the Indian Constitution mentions that the Constitution derives its authority from the people of India. The words in the preamble, "We, the people of India, adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution," declare the ultimate sovereignty of the people of India, and that the Constitution rests on their authority. Next question. Question number 20. Which of the following articles of the Constitution deal with the fundamental duties? Option A, Article 39O. Option B, Article 51A. And option C, Article 29B. And option D, none of the above. The right answer will be option B, Article 51A. That means the 42nd Amendment of the Constitution of India, enacted in 1976, laid down the fundamental duties of Indian citizens to the nation. The amendment inserted Article 51A to create a new part called 4A in the Constitution, which prescribed the fundamental duties to the citizens. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. আজকে আমরা এই ভিডিওটির মাধ্যমে যথাসম্ভব ইম্পর্টেন্ট কোয়েশ্চেন্স অ্যান্সার নিয়ে আলোচনা করলাম। পরবর্তীকালে আরও এরকম ইম্পর্টেন্ট কোয়েশ্চেন্স আপনাদের সামনে তুলে ধরব। ভিডিওটি যদি আপনাদের ভালো লেগে থাকে তাহলে অবশ্যই লাইক করবেন, সাবস্ক্রাইব করবেন এবং পাশের বেল বাটনটিতে ক্লিক করবেন। ভিডিওটি শেয়ার করতে কিন্তু ভুলবেন না। পরবর্তীকালে আপনাদের যদি কোনো অসুবিধা হয় বা কিছু জিজ্ঞাসা থাকে তাহলে অবশ্যই আমাকে স্ক্রল করে যাওয়া এই ইমেল আইডিতে মেল করতে পারেন এবং তার সাথে সাথে কমেন্ট বক্সে কমেন্ট করতে পারেন।